should be given to the implementation of the idea. So if suppose let's assume that we have got the idea later. So I will try and contact the other lead and I will make sure that we do it in a collaborative way. So that we can expand our network with their creativity, their marketing reach and our marketing reach. So it will have more number of people into the let's say the event.
Okay, so I think the questions are done. If anybody who has, you guys all have 2 minutes each. If you don't, sorry, 2 minutes as a whole. If you want to counter a point your fellow contestant has told, you can go forward now. Any point that you felt is wrong, or you want to counter what your opponent has said.
I wanted to counter Rahul and Mahinder's side point, like talking, like going personally and talking to the sublead. Going personally and talking to the sublead, basically, when we have program or idea, it's as a part of NIC, the whole members should be as a part of decision. Like going at one authority is not a point of like discussing. It's like only our own choice, or we are making our own choice. So basically, I want to say like than going approaching to the sublead, we can gather all the members together and this, discuss about these points and work on it.
So actually, I would like to answer the question. We are like a democracy. Basically, our club is organized in a vertical powered basis. So I think president represents everyone of a club. Like although it might be his specific idea, he will talk to the organization's head and actually represent every student. He will gather ideas from every student, and then as a representative of that club, he'll go and speak to other club representatives. Actually, presidents are representatives, right? So I think representative talking to another representative is not a big deal. It's like democracy. We only speak to the leader speaking to a leader. Thank you.
Okay.
Again, I would like to contradict Abhishek's statement because he told innovative ideas as we are in no innovative compass key, innovative ideas will be implemented. Yeah, agreeable point. Innovative ideas should be implemented, but we don't know, right? The other club also might have some innovative idea wherein it would be more informative and more skillful for the participants or students. So I think yeah, it is better to go and have one-to-one interaction with the other club lead or any president or anyone and get their insights regarding their idea and give our insights regarding our idea.
Okay. Thank you.
I would like to contradict Abhishek on the last point that you made.
Yes.
See, Abhishek, unless and until you ask everybody else's opinion and you go talk, it is nothing but just dictatorship, which nobody will support. So that is the thing I would like to,
I would like to.
I think the 2 minutes is done and all your counters are done. If the audience has any questions, if the audience has any questions to ask to the contestants, you can go forward now.
So all of you have been a competitor among yourself. So if one of you becomes, would you be able to like comply with the other member? Like how will you see each other after that? For example,
Basically-
command chain or command in different.
Basically, the leader is just a position. It's not like priority, like giving priority, like it's importance to the person. So it's like it's the only thing that is required for like asking permission, authority, and getting things. Like it's only to manage. So basically, everyone working together. It's a common thing for the club.
Yes, I would go with Abhishek. Before contesting for this leader post, we are friends. So definitely, one might be knowledgeable in one field, one particular field than me, and I might be, up in other field. So definitely, the hierarchy or all these positions wouldn't come up after becoming lead. Again, as Abhishek told, leader is just a position wherein you will manage stuffs and you will interact with your members and bring in innovative ideas. So that would not matter.
So what if you have conflict of interest? How will you manage this?
I would like to. So if even if there is a conflict of interest, as told before, that even leader is just a tag given to the person so that he mediates between the management and the students. So see, as told earlier, we would like to talk it out and make sure that we are all on the same page. See, conflict of interest would only come when we are not on the same page. So and we all work for the betterment and development of the club and the students of college. So having a conflict of interest would only harm the what do you call it?
So
Harm the
if you
development.
manage a member who is having ego issues or he's not complying with it.
I would like to answer that. We would talk to higher authorities like our lead, our teacher representative of our club or even the administration, we would like to actually go up. Instead of talking to the lead, we would go higher. Since we already have an hierarchy where there are powers beyond us, I think they would actually be the best ones to decide, and they have experience in it. So,
So I would also like to take that. See, we have our superiors to take care of that, as in the teacher coordinator or the administrative staff, so that. And in the very first place, we would like to sort it out in the very low level itself, as in we talk to them, or the specific domain leads talk to them and figure out the issue. And if even if that is not possible, it comes to us and we will try to sort it out. We'll try to sort it out. If even if that not happens, then we will go to the teacher administrator and we will talk to them.
I agree.
No, no, no.
Pranav?
This,
I agree with Pranav. So basically, as part of a NIC, so we are together as a member. So basically, like somebody having a presence, we can talk personally. Like we can go with them, we can talk personally, we can discuss, and we can come up with an idea. Like we can come up with a solution that can be solved at the basic.
So I think all the questions.
Okay, yes. We will be working as a part of several different other clubs. Now you become the president of an NIC club and you are working as a part of some other clubs. So what if the both the programs are coinciding? What will you do at that time?
see again, as we told earlier, the leader is just a name. So we will, as told earlier, we will like to talk to the leads, and then we will make sure that it doesn't coincide or be merged together and collaborate for a event or a program to happen. First of all, we would like to prioritize our club. So now, if we become lead of this club, our priority for other club would not change. But this NIC club would be a step ahead in priority, for other clubs. So again, we would do all the works, all our concerns with respect to the other club. But yeah, definitely we would come up with this club betterment of this club.
So I have one question. How do we align your club with your vision and mission?
Basically, the vision and vision, it's in the name of the NIC. So it's like Nova Innovative Compass Test. So innovative. So basically, the member present in the club are basically getting ideas in like processing with their ideas and getting the outcome. So basically, they are gaining experience, having memories. That's all required in the and the college.
So I would like to take that too. So basically, all the programs or events that we host will be towards the development of the people of MBJ College of Engineering. That is the students. So we will make sure that whatever the programs that we conduct or the events that we conduct are helping us in some way or the other while we are getting out of the college during our interviews or placements. So that is how it will align our vision and mission both together. Yes, I agree with Pranav. The main agenda of any club, any technical club, is to extract the technical knowledge and improve the technical knowledge. So definitely, the vision and mission more both will be for ultimate knowledge gain and ultimate skill refinement. So yes, that would be our mission and vision. So we would be very much interested and excited to host any event with this mission and vision, and for betterment of the students of the college.
So I have a question for Abhishek and Pranav as of now. So my question is, what are we as a member or just newcomers or new team members are going to get, and what are the future event plans?
So yeah, Abhishek, you want to take it or shall I? I'll
I
take
can
it.
start with Abhishek.
Okay. So basically, when a new member joins, it's not like some new member join. He has some experience, and like he's the one from the individual from the crowd that has been selected to a part of a club. So basically, for the vision part, we will like most of the thing is like described by our tag, like our the name of the club. So what are we going to do? Focusing on getting ideas, developing them, and like executing it with enhancement of both the college people and the member of the club. That's
Okay.
Okay. So see, if you're a new joinee, doesn't mean you don't know anything. See, just because you know anything is the very first reason that you've come into the club. So we will try to make you work with other people so that you get to know how things work around in our club. So it is just like getting along with the business. It's something like which is similar to that. So we will make sure that you work with everybody, and you make sure you have good contact with them, and you can improve yourself. And as we know that we keep the leads position also open. So if you're fit enough or you're worthy enough to become the lead, you can surely contest in the elections, and you can become the next lead of the at the whichever specific domain that you're in.
Okay, I need response from everyone for this question. What is your plan in bringing members of the NIC together, and what is your end goal after becoming the lead?
Basically, my first plan is like we are having a external events, like we are conducting events for the college members. So it's just like we are working and working. We are not having it proper like management and all, like not the management part properly. We are not able to like gather together, and like we are just focusing on the work, not on the experiences, the memories we have to gain. So the first point I want to add is like conducting an internal events like gaming or like some code. Like everyone in the club have some of the basic, like they know some basic, like everyone in the club like know the knowledge, like basic knowledge, like for the part of the club they have to give something, that some test. So basically after joining the club they would have some basics. So on that basics we can work on it, like we can have some more events on that, like internal events, like and like enjoying, like we can go together. Example, like recently we went, like most of us went for the movie, like it's movie just not movies just
Okay.
One of the objectives of joining clubs is to network. Like juniors join to network with seniors, and seniors join to actually evolve and just not to stay in the comfort zone of themselves. So networking is the priority. So I think since there are seniors, juniors, sub juniors, super seniors, there are a lot of members. I think we have to actually connect each and every person to the highest authority, and every person should network with each other. It's like peer to peer will be only between their age, but then if you actually set up a networking takes place, and actually people sync like their I would go forward.
So, in addition to Mahendra's point, I would first of all implement all the meets offline with all the members to be joined in it. So, this would basically build up our bonding, and we will come to know each other. We'll come to know in which aroma we are standing in, so that we can one-to-one conversation can occur. Also, I would like to implement a few games and events only for NIC members, wherein they get some opportunity to open up and come out of their comfort zone.